Hi guys, I'm going to be pretty quick on this. My plugins rely on the UV editor and the polygon editor that you can find. It's Godot 4.1, and .3 in here. There is a button in here in those versions that if you click it, the pop-up will come out. And that pop-up has the editor. But in the label version, the 4.4, there is no longer that button. In the code, it still exists, but right now the button isn't available here. That could suggest that it will be removed in the code in a later version. So I have to create a new version of my plugins that rely on this other window here. This other is another UV editor that exists inside the code. It's not the same that will pop out if you click in the button that it no longer exists here. It is different. So in the code exists in a different part. So I will show you how this structure the code. Let me show you. Let me change. Close this. Okay, now you are seeing it. This is the normal one. The one that you was watching on the on the screen. This one. This is the Godot 4.4 structure. And this is the Godot 4.3 structure. This one is the one that is visible on Godot 4.4. It has almost the same structure. This one is different here because those are the bonds that I had printed. But this is the editor. In the code, you can find something called the Polygon 2D editor, but that is not the one where you can edit the code. It's called editor, but I don't know why. But it's not the one. The real editor are the panels and other containers that you can see in here, in this part. And if you want to find the other editor, the pop-up one, is this one. Is here. It has a control parent and skeleton 2D. Let me show you that it also appears in here. Okay, this one. This one. No, sorry, that's the fake editor that I told you about. It's this one, sorry. It is really the same. Oh, it's strange. They moved it. Okay, fine. It's strange. There's a mess in how this was created, how the changes has been made. But anyway, as you can see, now the pop-up is in another place. From the Godot 4.4 version to the 4.3 version to the Godot 4.4 version. So I'm working right now on make able the plugin to work under the two UV editors and polygon editors. The one that is normal, that is still present on Godot 4.4, and the one that is available in the pop-up for the other Godot 4 versions. So please wait a little. I'm working on it and creating, reshaping, refactoring my code, making it again. Sorry, that was the correct way to say it. and it will be pretty more easy to understand how I'm managing the windows. And you could see, if you enter the new code, you will understand it better. But rest assured, I will make a fix and I will release it. So, okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your patience with my plugins. I will post the update as soon as possible, but kept in mind that I have to find a way how to make it work on the two panels, on the two, sorry, panels, on the two UV Polygon 2D editors, on the two one. This is working on the pop-up one, but it's not working in the normal because there is no code for that. I'm making that. I'm trying to figure the what's equal, what's different, and how I can replace some of the controls in order to use that. And regardless of which editor is, I think I can do it. I think I can just replace the containers and make it work with them, but it will take me another 2 weeks at least in order to do that. Okay, so please have patience. I will make this fix. So thank you very much. Thank you for your support and your time, and then we make this work. Thank you. See you later. Have a nice weekend. See you later.